Hi guys, hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about these three mascaras which Nykaa launched recently. Very quickly, we are going to brush through the basic claims that Nykaa has made about these three mascaras. Nykaa says that these are waterproof, they don't clump, flake or smash, they're intense black color, long-lasting impact, feathery soft lashes, easy to rinse off. That's what Nykaa has to say, and it is made in China. I'm gonna try out these three mascaras one by one and let you know my thoughts on these one by one, individually as well as collectively. So please make sure that you watch this video till the end. Yellow mascara has a straight wand. Yellow pink mascara has a wand. And the green, the lengthening mascara, again has a straight wand. I got them 4 days before and I've been trying them out one by one throughout these 4 days. And today I think I'm ready to share my experience with everyone. Before we begin, I'd just like to quickly brush through the claims made by Nykaa. It's waterproof, there's no clumping, flaking or smudging, it gives intense black color, long-lasting impact, feathery soft lashes and easy to rinse off. Those are like the collective claims for all these three mascaras. Price, the volumizing mascara is priced at Rs 399. The lengthening mascara is priced at Rs 399, but the pink one, the curling mascara, is priced at Rs 349. That is 50 rupees cheaper than these other two mascaras. We're gonna try them out one by one and let's see what's the hype about. Let's talk about the yellow mascara first, which is called the Nykaa Lash Talk Super Sizer Volumizing Mascara. I'm going to apply it on my right eye and show you how it looks. I don't know if you guys heard, but there was this controversy surrounding the launch of these mascaras. Actually, the beautiful Janhvi Kapoor, which was the face behind the launch of these three mascaras, she was very evidently wearing false eyelashes in the launch video and posts, which Nykaa posted on their Instagram handle. I mean, it's okay, but it's pretty shady. And while it's not Janhvi's fault, obviously, I think. Maybe Nykaa was trying to make a point, maybe Nykaa had something in mind. I honestly feel it's pretty shady when the model's wearing a false eyelash in a mascara post. It's pretty pointless, to be honest. If you go to Nykaa's Instagram handle, everybody in the comment section sounds so pissed, and it would be great if Nykaa actually comes up with an explanation. Anyway, so this is how it looks after a single coat. Not too much of a volumizing effect, but it has coated my lashes in an intense black color. That's true. Let's go ahead with the second coat. And Nykaa says that the benefits this mascara has, that it gives 10x bolder lashes, it thickens, lifts and loads intense volume. Definitely say that this has lifted up my lashes a little bit. So I can see the lifting effect, but I wouldn't say this is an intense volumizing effect. Another positive thing I noticed with this mascara is it's not making my lashes super clumpy as the other mascaras in the same range available in the market do. The formula is way thinner than the mascaras which we are used to, and that is the reason this is not super clumpy on the lashes. I mean, it's not like literally separating out the individual lashes as such, but at the same time it's not causing too many of lash hair clump together, which is a good thing. I can see two three lashes sticking together, so there's slight clumping but not too much. This has made my lashes obviously more noticeable. Definitely a little bit volumizing, but there's no dramatic effect as such. If I were to say it in a single line, it gives a nice lifted look and slightly makes my lashes more noticeable and a tiny bit of volumizing effect. I'd say I won't wear this mascara individually on its own because I like a little bit more dramatic effect on my lashes, but I would give this a try with false eyelashes. With false eyelashes, I think this would be nice. On to the next mascara. The next mascara Nykaa has is called the Nykaa Curl Power Curling Mascara. It comes in this pink tube. Nykaa says that this mascara gives 45-degree curls, grabs, separates and lifts the lashes. Even after just one coat, I can see some curling action happening. Not too much, but yes, there is slight curling action happening and I can notice it very well on my eye. Now, what I've noticed that both pink and the yellow mascara both have a very obvious lifting effect on the lashes, which is very good, especially for ladies like me who have very flat lashes. Let's go on and apply the second coat. So the formula is definitely way less clumpy than the mascaras that we are used to in the drugstore market. Another thing that both of them gave a very obvious lift to my lashes. This definitely gave me a little bit of curling action, and I really like that. It's a very sort of a natural curling action happening, nothing dramatic. But let me tell you that I did not curl my lashes before applying this mascara, so that's pretty impressive. I'll do a close-up and show you guys how the mascaras look. So this is the yellow mascara, the volumizing mascara, and this is the curling mascara, the pink one. Can you see how the pink one has slightly given a little bit of curl to my lashes? At the same time, honestly, I feel like the curling mascara, the pink mascara, has given me almost the same amount of volume as the yellow one. So I would prefer the curling mascara over the volumizing mascara any day. Moving on to our next mascara, which is the green one. Nykaa calls it the Nykaa Lash Talk Like It Long Lengthening Mascara, and it comes in this green tube. Nykaa says that this mascara gives XXL length, instantly lengthens and defines and lifts the lashes. Because I have mascara on both my eyes, I'm going to insert a clip and I'm going to show you how this mascara looks as compared to the pink one. Because we already like the pink one better than the yellow one, I'm not going to compare the yellow one with the green one. I'm going to compare the curling mascara, the pink one, with the green one, the lengthening mascara.
On the green side, I have 2 coats of the green lengthening mascara, and on the pink side I have 2 coats of the pink curling mascara. So as you can see very clearly that the green mascara actually provides a very noticeable lengthening effect on the lashes, and I do have to say that the volume effect of the green mascara is actually slightly better than the volumizing effect of the pink as well as the yellow mascara.
This mascara definitely has a lengthening effect, as you can see in the picture. It's very slightly more clumpy than the pink one, but nothing bothersome. It's still less clumpy than the other mascaras that are available in the market in the same range. I definitely like the green mascara better than the other two. It has a very noticeable lengthening effect, more noticeable effect than any of the effects given by the previous two mascaras. Overall, I have to say that I like the green, the lengthening mascara the best. Second place, the pink one, the curling mascara, and on the third place, the yellow mascara. I'm definitely not impressed by the yellow mascara at all. It makes my lashes more noticeable, but I wouldn't call it a significant volumizing effect. Let's just quickly go through the pros and cons of all these three mascaras. First, definitely all these three mascaras give a lifting effect to the lashes. Because the formula is a little bit on the thinner side, they do not cause a significant clumping of the lashes. It's very comfortable, almost weightless on the lashes, and you don't feel like you're wearing a ton of product even on second and third coat. Personally feel that because these mascaras do not give a very dramatic effect, maybe this one slightly, but these two mascaras definitely don't give a very dramatic effect, so these both will be best worn with false eyelashes. These mascaras are vegan, they're cruelty free, and also they're waterproof. While testing them out, I did splash tons of water on my face to see if they come off. They don't come off with water. So when Nykaa says that they're easy to rinse off, they don't mean that they're easy to rinse off with water. What they mean is these are easy to remove with a good makeup remover. And with micellar water as well as with normal makeup removers, these do come off pretty quickly and you don't need to rub off your lashes a lot. Speaking of the cons, like I've already repeated in this video a million times, they don't give a dramatic effect. They give a very natural effect on the lashes. They do take a while to dry, so be careful, while applying your mascara. Don't do this because the mascara will get transferred to the upper lids very quickly. I personally like mascaras which coat and individually separate out my lashes and give each and every lash hair a volumizing effect, but none of these mascaras were able to perform that, so that I would count this as a con. Overall, I have to say that these are pretty decent mascaras in the drugstore range, nothing out of the box, nothing dramatic. But for usual normal outings, you can totally try them out. Honestly, I'm gonna prefer wearing them with my false eyelashes because they're not as clumpy, so they're not gonna clump out the lash hair of my false eyelashes. Also, the volumizing effect provided by this one is pretty much the same as the volumizing effect provided by these two. So there's no use, wearing this mascara when you're getting same volumizing effect, in addition a curling effect and a lengthening effect with these two mascaras. If I were to suggest one mascara out of the three, definitely the green one. If you want some curling action happening on your lashes, then you can check out the pink one. That's all I have to tell you in this video. If you want any additional details, if you want me to include anything else in the video, please do comment and let me know how can I improve. So yeah, that's all. Take care. Bye.